Kubernetes isn't just Kubernetes anymore. It encompasses your entire cloud-native infrastructure. At scale, it becomes too complex and costly for mere humans to operate. Enter Komodor, the autonomous AI SRE platform. Komodor provides context and deep domain expertise powered by me, Klaudia. I'm actually hundreds of AI agents that mimic SRE workflows and act as an extension of your ops team, automatically visualizing, troubleshooting, and optimizing every part of your system. Let me show you how. Let's start with the cluster overview screen. Komodor visualizes for you everything that affects the performance, reliability, and health of this cluster, and the workloads that run on top of it. It even analyzes its resource consumption and costs to give you recommendations on potential savings. Komodor integrates with common Kubernetes add-ons and CRDs, such as Cert Manager, External DNS, Cluster Autoscaler, Istio, and many more. I will provide valuable insights to you and your team on their health and reliability as well. This is the Health Management page, where you can see a list of issues and risks with your Kubernetes workloads, batch processing, and model training workflows. Komodor surfaces and prioritizes every issue across your stack. Let's check the Event Puller service, which has been experiencing an issue for the last 9 hours. You drill into the issue, which takes you another layer deeper to the service page. On the services page, you're able to see a complete timeline of all events and changes related to this service. Here's where I jump in to generate key insights for you to help you find the root cause. Clicking on the availability issue opens up the investigation drawer. You can see the highlights of the issue, its impact, and duration. Most importantly, I've already done the hard work and investigated the issue for you and determined its root cause: a misconfigured deployment. In this case, the API rate limit configuration exceeded the maximum allowed value, which caused the pods to go into a crash loop back-off state. I also suggested remediation actions that can be triggered directly through the platform with a single click, such as redeploying the config map with the correct API rate limits. By configuring the self-healing policy, you can enable me to perform such remediation actions autonomously without human intervention. Clicking on Run will remediate the issue in a few seconds. This remediation action is reflected both in the timeline and in the self-healing audit tab. Even such a simple issue like we just solved can take several hours across multiple teams to troubleshoot manually. Let me show you how the same rapid and precise automatic RCA and self-remediation can be extended to more complex use cases. Under reliability risks, we can see a cascading failure impacting 3 other services. I visualized the issue for you, showing clearly that 3 different, seemingly unrelated incidents are all stemming from the same Kafka service, which is leaking memory. Same as before, I provide transparent investigation steps, supporting evidence for the RCA and clear remediation actions that can be applied with a single click. Now, let's explore Komodor's cost overview page. This gives you a high-level executive summary of your total monthly spend, cost allocation, trends, and most importantly, your active savings, the actual dollar amount Komodor is saving you. Below, you can see your potential savings, a forecast of what you can additionally achieve by automating workload right-sizing or bin packing. This helps you understand where optimization opportunities exist across your fleet and where to prioritize your time. You can configure headroom to prevent cold starts and unlock additional savings, especially for resource-heavy workloads. You can also take into account your cloud provider's distinct pricing and discounts to present a more accurate analysis of your actual spend. Komodor's workload right-sizing automates the optimization of resource requests and limits based on real-world usage to eliminate unnecessary over-provisioning and reduce spending without sacrificing reliability. Meanwhile, Komodor's intelligent pod placement addresses node utilization and fragmentation issues by identifying opportunities for more efficient bin packing. I can also automatically detect unevictable pods and intelligently group them onto dedicated nodes. This enables your existing autoscalers like Carpenter or Cluster Autoscaler to scale down effectively and unlock up to 40% in additional cost savings. These were just a few simple examples of how Komodor's autonomous AI SRE platform can make your cloud-native infrastructure more reliable and cost-effective at any scale. To learn more about how Komodor can transform your Kubernetes operations, check out our free trial or book a dedicated demo with one of our engineers.